I am holding the newly released Huawei smartphone, the Huawei Pura X Collector's Edition. Here are two regular versions. You can see the packaging is a light gold color. The whole thing is bulkier. Note that the Collector's Edition is a satellite mobile terminal, while the regular version is a digital mobile phone. Here is the quick release opening. Let's unbox it directly. Hey, what do you all think about President Yu saying this phone is affordable for everyone? Laughter. I think he'll probably get criticized. Oh, once you open it up, it's the same inside. Whoosh, wow. Wow, it's so white. Oh, it's not quite what I imagined. Oh, this color is called Shinge Red. This part is very much like a chessboard. It's not flat. You can feel some special textures.
This bright red.
It's a bit too early in color here. The texture feels different in three places. The upper part on the left side has a vertical camera, while on the right side there's a large screen with a curved edge design on both sides. We come to the front of the phone. Wow, this crease is very slight. Everyone, let's reflect it in the light to feel it. Very, very slight. Let's show you the color of the regular version. This one is white and this one is gray. Both have a glossy glass finish. Wow, personally, I prefer the regular version a bit more, especially looking at the front. You feel it has more texture, right? If you say the collector's edition is a bit like a small wallet, I feel the regular version is more like a piece of art. Let's turn it on first. Oh, where is the power button? Oh, the power button is here. Sorry, my bad. Let's capture the top here. Here, this guy's first fold in life. Let's activate it first. Guys, this should be the first device in the entire series pre-installed with Harmony OS Next. Let's click to experience it now. I have to say, it really feels a bit different from our traditional phones. It's like holding a very small tablet, that kind of feeling. I think it's still meant to be used horizontally. Oh, wait, the idea is to open it, not to use it horizontally. You see, so the implication is that once you open it, you use it like this. And when you close it, you do it like this. Okay, so when you hold it this way, it's horizontal. And then once you open it, you rotate it like this. Oh, this is what they're calling the new form, 16:10, right? There isn't really a problem. Now it really feels like a small ebook. The guy has already activated it and played with it for a while. It's really quite interesting. Let's start with the outer screen. This outer screen is a certain number of inches and has a 120 Hz high refresh rate. Honestly, the R angle is done quite reasonably, which is a very good aspect. And within this small screen, the smoothness is genuinely impressive. Moreover, you can see that many software have been adapted, although not as perfectly as you might think. For example, the map won't open and certain software won't let you click agree right now. I guess it's an issue with the early firmware, but thanks to Hongmeng Next, there's really no problem with the smoothness, and I think the aesthetics are done very well. Whether you're adding an app, adding a widget, or changing the theme, everything is super smooth. Then, from this external display to the internal display, you see when you unfold it horizontally like this, hey, it turns into this.
It's all in portrait mode. Record it and then turn it around. Because at this time you'll notice the power button is also on top. And at this time, you just treat it as a small tablet. Pay attention. This is a 16:10 ratio tablet. What's its advantage? It's more like an ebook, more suitable for reading. Personally, I think Huawei launched this phone to tell everyone that our Harmony Next has a natural advantage in software adaptation. So hurry up and adapt. You see, even the Douyin app that we often use is full screen, but there are black bars on both sides. Now, what's strange is that I turned on auto rotate, but it doesn't switch to landscape mode. Okay, how do you operate it horizontally? Let me demonstrate again. For instance, when we are on the outer screen and we open a memo and you now find you need to type, you see, it's a bit small. Then you just open it. Hey, there's a very smooth animation. Hey, it looks just like a little butterfly. Doesn't it have that feel? Or we could open a video app. Now we've opened the Huawei video. Wow! You see, on this outer screen, the official app adaptation is really good.
We watch TV shows, but watching on a small screen isn't very comfortable. So how...
What do we do?
Open it. Hey, this is very, very nice. For example, when we open Huawei Reading on the outer screen, you might feel that the font is slightly small, not so comfortable. Hey, here, when you open it, oh, mini tablet, very nice. Since this guy comes pre-installed with Next, we really don't know what's up. As for the specs, all we know now is it has 66 watt wired charging, 40 watt wireless charging, and a 4720 milliamp hour battery. However, I think this battery capacity should be more than enough for the 6.3-inch inner screen and the 3.5-inch outer screen. Even though it's a bit wide, the feeling of holding this device with one hand is quite okay, because it's really light indeed. Then finally, about the hovering, normal hovering has no issues, and the functions in this area are okay. But the feel of the hinge, to be honest, is indeed not as good as the X5 or X6. But there are no issues with the regular hovering, as you can see. Finally, let me show you the accessories inside the box. Here is a transparent protective case, nothing much to say about it. The main thing I want to share with you is this 66-watt charger. As we hope to make it standard across the entire series in the future, we'll share more details about Huawei's Pura X with you when we have the chance. Bye bye.